Hi everyone, today I am going to show how to give self-appraisal for the staff belonging to level 6, that is 4.2 and above. So now just open any of the browser. So just I am going to HRMS login screen, just I am putting it in a desktop mode in the mobile. So if it is a system means you can automatically go in a desktop mode only. Just I am typing the details of the staff for whom I want to give the self-appraisal. Just give the password, type the password. So after typing the password, just will ask for an OTP. So type the OTP. So I've typed the OTP, just have logged in. So just what happens is that here you can find new here. So new. So that means what happens is that this staff has no role. This staff is working as OS, so has no role. So let us suppose if any persons are having any reporting officer or reviewing officer or pass issuing authority or pass clerk or upper clerk, so the role will be different. So if the role is showing other than E, you just change the role to E. It will be available adjacent to the new which was blinking there. So for this stop it does not applicable. So just you can go ahead, click on the options and go for upper and click self appraisal. So the self appraisal window will open to you. So automatically the self appraisal window has opened in two tabs. In the first tab it will show you the personal information of the staff which was submitted by bill clerk. So after going through the verification of the SR only it will be submitted, so no need to worry. And then on the second tab you click on the self appraisal tab. So on the self appraisal tab you can find four sections. In the first section you will find brief discussion of the duties, and in the second section work done from the, that is the upper period will be shown, and in the third section you can enter any achievements if you have received. So and in the fourth section pertaining to income tax, that you need not to touch, that. So just coming to the brief discussion of the staff, I am going to type the brief discussions of the staff. So I've typed a brief discussion of the duties of the staff, and the period will be same because we are giving upper for 2021 only. Just come here, and in the achievements don't leave the achievements as blank, because if you leave the blank it cannot be processed. So just you give a nil, give the nil in the box, and just click on submit. So it will ask you, are you sure you want to submit the data for verification? You will not be able to make changes after submission. Make NS. So automatically it will ask you an OTP. So just the OTP will be received in the staff's mobile number. Just we are automatically after receiving the OTP, just I'm going to type the OTP here. So 6480 and submit. So the upper of the employee has been submitted like this. The self appraisal of the employee has been, so that the self appraisal